Hello everyone, my name is Aditi, working as an intern at Lexus & Company. Now we will discuss what are the constituents of law of the crime. The important ingredients are mens rea and actus rea. Mens rea, there is a mental element of the crime. One should form the intent to commit the crime. Mere accident or negligence does not usually constitute a crime. If the person do not have the intent to commit the crime, but in result of wrongdoing, then there is a chance that the person would not be guilty of the crime. And second is actus rea. There is an actual commission of the crime once the intention is formed and the person, and according to the intent, and actually does an act that constitutes actus rea and result in the commission of the crime. If there is only the intention to commit the crime but no act furtherance or would be led to the no commission of the crime. Further, mens rea and actus rea is independently will not result to the commission of the crime. They need to be present at the time of the action of the crime of the commission of the crime.